Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to install games to your Hisense Vida Smart TV. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So if you want to install games, here's exactly what you have to do. Find out where your App Store is and launch it. Once you launch it, it's going to bring you to the App Store official page for Vida Hisense Smart TV. Now, since you want to install games, what you have to do is just to scroll down to the category of games, and here is it over here. So all of these are categories of games, and if you browse through, you are going to see all categories of games here. I think there are a couple of them so far. Here they say there are 19. I don't know if that's all, but these are all games that you can install on your Hisense Smart TV from the official App Store. If you click more, I believe there should be more games here. So I click more. These are all the games that are all here. Yes, there are just a couple of few more. So now, how do you install any? It is simple. Just go over to the one you want to install. Let's see, if I want to install Dark Ninja, I'll just go over to it and I'll click install from here. And it was going to install straight away to my Hisense Smart TV. And these are my games that are already installed. So now I can play games here on my Vida Smart TV. I just launch it and I will start playing. And it's as easy as that. If you find the video helpful, like and subscribe for more important videos like this.